Active Directory sites, services, and domain controller replication. Imagine a world where businesses crumble under inefficient networks and IT professionals struggle to keep domains in sync. Scary, right? Mastering Active Directory sites and services ensures this never happens to you. Today, we break down how sites, services, and replication streamline your enterprise network like a well-oiled machine. Active Directory sites and services is the traffic director for services needed to access domain controllers. It's how AD intelligently manages your organization's resources across physical locations. A site represents a physical location, while services dictate how objects like domain controllers, DCs, communicate within and between these sites. Sites help optimize authentication requests, resource availability, and the network traffic tied to all services that AD provides. For example, users won't authenticate to a distant DC when a local one is available. AD sites reduce latency, conserve bandwidth, and accommodate large organizations with globally distributed offices. Replication is the process ensuring domain controllers stay synchronized across the whole forest. Without replication, AD chaos ensues. Think incorrect data, authentication errors, or worse. It ensures every DC has up-to-date information, from user access permissions to updated policies. How does it work? It uses an efficient multi-master model. Each DC can update changes, with replication pushing those changes across the environment. This keeps everything consistent and reliable for end users. Here's where sites and services align perfectly with replication. Imagine multiple offices worldwide. Replication between these locations would be data-heavy and slow unless optimized. Sites prioritize efficient replication paths, preventing bandwidth congestion by grouping DCs geographically and assigning schedules. For example, intra-site replication happens frequently due to proximity, while inter-site replication occurs at defined intervals to save resources. Using site links, administrators can further configure replication frequency and cost based on available bandwidth. Here's a techie bit explained simply. Connection objects are the secret links between DCs, enabling replication. They define how and where data flows. Fortunately, the Knowledge Consistency Checker, KCC, auto-generates these connections within sites for simplicity. Still, you can manually tweak them for custom topology, especially across complex networks. Without properly configured connection objects, replication fails. Imagine sending a package without a delivery address, lost in the void. That's the importance of KCC and maintaining replication links. AD issues often boil down to mismanaged sites or replication errors. Problem areas may include overloading site links with uncontrolled replication, forgetting to map physical locations to logical sites, ignoring replication interval adjustments. Avoid these with a clear understanding of your network's physical layout and bandwidth. Regularly monitor replication health using built-in tools like repadmin or DCdiag so you catch issues before they escalate. Plan with precision. Assign logical sites to map your physical locations, group close offices together, and configure site links accordingly. Mind the schedules. Define intervals for inter-site replication during off-peak hours for minimal disruption. Document everything. A clear layout of sites, DCs, and connections makes troubleshooting a breeze. Those few steps can save hours of headaches and ensure optimal performance for your AD environment. Microsoft provides a powerful toolkit to simplify the process. Active Directory sites and services, the primary tool to manage sites, links, and their properties. Repadmin, a command line utility for diagnosing replication issues and checking health. Spot errors tied to AD replication in no time. Learning these tools is non-negotiable for keeping your AD environment in top shape. Let's say company headquarters is in New York, with branch offices in Berlin and Tokyo. New York houses 4 DCs, while Berlin and Tokyo have 1 each. Creating sites for each physical location and configuring site links enables efficient authentication and controlled inter-site replication. When employees in Berlin update their passwords, those changes replicate locally first and later sync to NY and Tokyo during scheduled intervals. This approach keeps everything synchronized without wasting bandwidth. Active Directory sites, services, and replication form the backbone of a robust, efficient network. When understood and applied correctly, they empower IT professionals to manage globally distributed systems confidently. Getting them right means reliable authentication, precise resource access, and smooth systems performance. You've just unlocked the key to streamlined Active Directory management. Now it's time to put this knowledge to use. Dive into your AD Sites and Services console, analyze your current replication strategy, and start optimizing. Be the IT professional who makes AD services work smarter, not harder, starting today.